Ready na, direct? Ay! Hi everyone, my name is Rhea and welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you for taking the time to check and look into my channel. For those of you who just tuned in, my name is Rhea. I am currently based here in Qatar and I am living with my sister. We are renting a 2-bedroom and 2-bath apartment and we have our own separate rooms. And for now, I know that some of you have asked for me to do a room tour and we're finally doing it today. And just keep on watching.
So, this is my door from the outside. And pagbukas nyo, tada! Ayan. You will see my IKEA bed. So, this IKEA bed, it's actually a pull-out bed. So, before, the first time that I got here, ang ginagamit ko lang is half ng bed. But then, after some time, parang mahirap matulog ng half lang yung bed since I can't seem to fit and it's hard to turn around. And hindi ka nakakagusto ng ikot-ikot. And so, later on, I have to pull it out para makatulog ako ng maayos. And that's what my bed looks like. And that's what my bed looks like. Yung bed sheet from IKEA then. And almost everything in here actually is IKEA. Tapos, as you can see, pag enter nyo, we have this carpet. Ang ganda niya, no? It's very intricate and very detailed. I think we got this for like 600 or 300. I'm not quite sure. Later on, I will link the clip or the video while we were choosing those carpets dun sa store na pinuntahan namin. And what good about this IKEA bed is that it has multiple storage. Ayan, meron po siyang 3 drawers that you could put in your things. Ayan. Madami siyang storage and that's where we keep our bed sheet dito. And then some of the things na kailangang itago. Ayan. Yan. So, as you can see, ang motif ng room na to is all white. But, if you were able to see the room that Jen has, dun naman, mga brown colors yung mga furnitures niya. So, dito sa side, I have these IKEA drawers. Yung nasa laman yan, mga makeup lang naman. Later on, if you want me to show you the things that I have in there, I will show you my makeup collection and everything. Tapos, andito sa gilid yung mga books na binabasa ko. So, these are the 2 books that I bought before. And I also looking into the lean machines kasi parang maganda yung mga advice niya regarding sa health mo. And then, I know that some of you already see the lamp that I got before. It's also in the vlog that I posted. Baka gusto nyong i-check. I would also link it in the information box below. Ayan. And then, dito naman sa gilid is my hamper. And these are the bags that I use frequently. Kaya nandito lang sila sa labas. These things are some of the books, ball pens, and some other stuff that are for storage lang naman. Kasi wala na siyang proper na papaglagyan. This is the box for the vacuum. And these are just some of the notes and magazines that I sometimes read as well. So, dito yung side na yon. Drawer. Ayan. And on top are some of the things that I have. Nalinis ko na siya actually before mga nakapatong dyan, mga dumi-dumi or something. Ayan. I just recently cleaned this out kasi nung last time, mga nakapatong dito is mga magazines and all. So, this one, cute no? Inaanak ko. Ayan. And these are some of my makeup brushes, the lotion that I use, the candles, my watches, bracelet, comb, and this is for my camera. And these are some of the things that I have. Some clothes that are neatly packed. Ayan, kakaayos ko lang. And then, those two things are kay Jen. Usually, hindi naman masyadong madami yung mga things na nandito. And this one, ito lang yung bukod tangi. Hindi siya white as the others. Ayan. Mga gamit lang din ni Jen yung nandyan. And these two, maleta. Wala na kasi talaga siyang mapaglagyan since maliit lang kasi itong kwarto namin and ang daming gamit ni Jen. And so, just as to hide it out, ayan, dito ko na lang siya nilagay. And dito nga sa ilalim ng daybed na yan, madami pa dyang mga maleta actually. And we're just keeping it out. So, in case that we need something, pag umalis kami in the future, then magagamit siya. Ayan. And this, lastly, is a cabinet that stores some of the clothes that I have. Ayan. Oh. Damit-damit lang yan. And that's it. Simple. Very simple. That is my room tour. Ayan. Sana nag-enjoy kayo kahit simple lang yung aking room. Ayan. That's it.